Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, variable casting is the process of converting a variable from one type to another. This is particularly useful when working with different data types, especially when performing operations that require type compatibility or when working with polymorphism in inheritance hierarchies. Hashtag types of casting in Java. There are two main types of casting in Java. 1. Widening casting, implicit casting. This occurs when you convert a smaller primitive type to a larger primitive type. For example, converting an int to a long or a float to a double. This type of casting is done automatically by the Java compiler. 2. Narrowing casting, explicit casting. This occurs when you convert a larger primitive type to a smaller primitive type. For example, converting a double to an int. This type of casting must be done explicitly, as it can lead to data loss. Hashtag example of widening casting. Here's an example demonstrating widening casting. Hashtag example of narrowing casting. Now, let's look at narrowing casting, which requires explicit conversion. Hashtag important points to remember. 1. Widening casting, safe and done automatically by the Java compiler. Example, int to long, float to double. 2. Narrowing casting, requires explicit casting and can lead to data loss. Example, double to int, the decimal part is truncated, int to byte, possible overflow. 3. Type checking, always ensure that the conversion makes sense in the context of your application to avoid unexpected behavior. Hashtag casting in inheritance. Casting is also relevant in object-oriented programming, particularly with class hierarchies. You can cast objects to their parent class or downcast them to their child class. Hashtag conclusion. Understanding variable casting is crucial for effective programming in Java. It helps manage different data types and ensures compatibility, especially in complex applications involving object-oriented programming. Always pay attention to the types you are casting between to avoid data loss and runtime exceptions.